Would you like to learn how to make some delicious southern deviled eggs? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Let's get started by boiling the eggs. Let me show you how to boil the perfect eggs so that they look pretty and not overcooked. First, you want to bring some water to a complete boil over high heat, and don't add the eggs in until the water is fully boiling. After you've gotten all of the eggs in the pot, then you want to set a timer so that you can stop cooking the eggs at just the right time to guarantee the perfect doneness. For deviled eggs, you want to boil the eggs for 12 minutes, but I'll put up an egg chart here so you can check it out. You can boil the eggs uncovered, by the way. After the eggs are done, you want to put them in an ice bath so that you can stop the cooking process because you don't want to overcook them. Let me show you a nifty little egg hack. To get the eggs peeled nice and fast and they won't be all jacked up, just take a knife and cut right through just like so. And then find a little gap, take a spoon and scoop the egg on out. Super cool, right? No, you're not feeling that? All right, let me show you a different way to get the egg out. Just take a knife and keep hitting the center of the egg with the knife while rotating it. This way it makes it a little easier to get the eggshell off like in 2 whole pieces as opposed to a bunch of little pieces that you have to pull off the egg. You're welcome. Just tap the egg a little and the yolk usually falls right on out. To make the deviled egg filling, add some mayo to the yolks and some honey Dijon mustard. Some people add sugar to their deviled eggs, but I like to get my sweetness from the honey mustard as well as sweet relish. Sweet relish as opposed to using dill. Also add a pinch of celery seed, but just a pinch because celery seed is strong, and if you add too much, it could overpower the dish. Now I'm going in with some pink salt and some fresh cracked black pepper. The ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Also add a little garlic powder as well as a little onion powder. And then you want to give everything a good mix. Usually I mash up the yolks first before adding in all the other ingredients. I don't know why I did it this way this time, but I would suggest to mash up the yolks before adding in all the other stuff. Because you want to get all those yolks mashed up good so that you can get a smooth consistency like this. It's best to use a piping bag like this to fill the eggshells. It just makes the process easier. I got it from the dollar store. But if you don't have a piping bag, you can take like a Ziploc baggie and cut a little slit like on the tip of it and squeeze the filling out the baggie like that. But it's kind of tricky to get the filling in the piping bag unless you have somebody to hold the bag open for you. But if not, just put it in a tall glass like this and it'll help you out. Then just proceed to fill each one of the eggshells. And when done, it can look something like this.
Lisa D Delight.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. You already know these deviled eggs were so delicious. The perfect appetizer to go along with your Easter dinner or any barbecues coming up that you need to invite me to. The only bad thing is the price of eggs these days, child. I almost had to refinance my house to buy some dang eggs. Pray for us. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. Happy Easter.
Lisa got them dishes, that's a life of when she cook. Guarantee you if you visit, you subscribe and if she cook. Double take a second look, and she don't need no book. The kitchen free, Michigan.